Welcome to Enable on 101. Today we will be learning how to create task definitions in the compliance module of Enable on. Before we start, please check to make sure the compliance module appears in your home screen next to the other modules. If you do not see it, please contact an administrator to be given the appropriate system permissions. Now please click on Compliance to be taken to the module. Once you have arrived to the module, look to the far left of your screen. You'll either see icons or an expanded view with both icons and words. In order to change this view, go to the upper left-hand corner where you'll see three parallel lines that we refer to as the hamburger. Clicking on the hamburger will allow you to open or close the menu. If you have just the icons showing, we are going to click on the clipboard. This will then give us another menu with a task definitions tab found below the compliance task header. Click on this to be taken to the task definition part of the compliance module. Remember, if you would like to do work, in our case create task definitions, click on the clipboard. Now for those who have an expanded view that includes both the icons and the words, in order to get to the task definitions, you're going to go to Compliance Task, click the tab, and it will open up a drop-down menu as seen below. Here, you'll click on the Task Definitions tab to be taken to the task definition part of the compliance module. Now we will begin creating task definitions. Go to the upper right hand side of your screen and click the green Add a New Task Definition button. Now a new task definition record will open in edit mode. Note that most of the fields have a question mark icon. As you complete the form, you can scroll over these icons to see the help text. Now let us begin. In the type field, the default and only option is compliance task. Leave this field with that value and ignore it. Next is Task Definition Identifier, or TD. Leave this field alone as well. This will automatically give the task definition a unique identification number. The active field is used to turn the task definition on or off. When unchecked, compliance tasks will not be generated. This field will be used to deactivate task definitions that no longer apply. And in most cases, this should be used instead of deleting task definitions. If you are not already in your plant's site, the entity field is where you select the facility associated with this task definition. You may type the facility name and the field will auto-complete, or you can use the magnifying glass to the right to choose. In the compliance module, the phrase domain means subject area. Domains and subdomains are used to control access to items in the compliance module. They are also used to help organize the items. You'll select a subdomain in the domain field. It is difficult to change this field after the task definition has been approved, so select the value carefully. If changes must be made after the task definition is approved, an administrator will have to make the change. To select a subdomain, use the magnifying glass to the right of the field. Depending on the settings of your account, you'll see one or more top-level domains. There are 4 top-level domains: environmental, health and safety, product regulatory affairs, and transportation. Click the top-level domain to see the subdomains for that domain. Select the most appropriate subdomain for the task definition you're entering. For this example, we will be creating a task definition for jack inspections. I'll classify this as a lifting equipment. Click the box to check it. Next, we have task type. Task types are used to organize items. You can use this to search for the task definitions later. To select the task type, click the magnifying glass to the right of the field. Select the most appropriate task type for the task definition you are entering. Here you can select more than one option that best fits your task definition. For this example, we will choose inspection.